Alrighty, folks, we are at one of my favoriteest builders in the valley right now, Meritage Homes. They have a community coming up in Santan Valley. If you're looking to move this way, give me a call. We'll get you out here, get you all registered, and get you all bought and into your next home. The Bailey is a little over 2,500 square feet, which is what I love about this floor plan. And then it's got some bells and whistles that I want to share with you guys. So let's do it. All right, so you come through the front door. As you can see, you've got this extended entryway. So you don't have your guests right there at your living room as soon as they come in. They can't even see your kitchen. I love it. But you do have bedrooms to the front of the house. So let's start with bedroom number 1, aka office, if you need an office space. So here's the first bedroom. It is kind of small. So if you were going to make this a bedroom, it's going to be, what do you call it? Twin bed or bunk bed. That's about all you're going to get in here, because really there's no wall space to put a bed. So this is better suited, I think, as an office, unless you absolutely need it. But it has a very nice closet. So whether or not you need to use it as a bedroom or an office, you have a nice closet to go with it. So keep that in mind. This is the very first bedroom when you come in the house. Up here, they show you how they insulate. And trust me, that stuff works. I live in a Meritage home right now, and I absolutely love my light bill. All right, so that's bedroom number 1, aka the office. This is bedroom number 2. It's a little bit bigger than the first bedroom, only because of the way it's laid out. So as you can see, they were able to put a full-size bed in here and still have plenty of room for the nightstands on both sides and a desk, or you can put like a, what do you call it, the tall dresser where you can put the television on top if you don't want to mount it on the wall. So you got plenty of walk space too. Between here and the closet door, I mean, I can lay out here and be comfortable and kind of just do my thing in my room. Again, very nice closet for this particular room size. So you don't have to worry about that. The closet space is not at a premium in here. It is well distributed. So next, we're going to have the hallway bathroom, which could either be for just this area, because if I'm not mistaken, if this is the same one as the one over at Archer Meadows, there should be another bathroom over there, but we'll check on that in a second. So we've got bathroom number 1, double sinks, tall tub, nice little featurettes there. And then here's bedroom number 3. And again, this one actually, they put 2 beds in here. So it's a nice sized bedroom. Generally speaking, if you can fit 2 beds in here and still have space to walk. So nothing to be concerned about. Everybody's going to be comfortable in this one. So let's see if the closet's bigger. It's the same size closet. So all 3 bedrooms in the front are the same size closets. Why is that important? Because you don't have to have people fighting over closet space. They all got the same size closet. So we're going to head back towards the back of the house. Here's the laundry room here. And it's a nice size laundry room to where if you wanted to put, what do you call that thing? A freezer, like a deep freezer, you can put it in here. Or if you wanted to add a sink, you can add a sink. Or if you want to have some kind of hang up where you can hang clothes, you can do what you want. It's your house. But you got plenty of space to do it. So they do give you an ample amount of laundry room space. Now, around this corner, here's that second bathroom. So there is a second bathroom like I thought. And it's a full bath with a sink, toilet, whole tub. So you get an entire bathroom here. It's not a big bathroom, but this would be more of your guest bathroom because it's closer to your living room space. Now, unless you decide, hey, whoever lives over here gets their own bathroom, then you have this bedroom here. So this is bedroom number 4. So technically it's a 5-bedroom house. Now this bedroom's a little, it's not tight. It's actually doable. No, it is tight because it's like a queen. So to be able to get a queen in here, that's not bad. So yeah, that's like a queen size bed. Put a little dresser there or not. Again, you still get the same size closet. So unless, somebody wants their own bathroom over here. Other than that, all the closets are the same. Well, this person would get an extra closet because here's a closet here. There's a closet, and then here's another closet. The linen closet is here. Now, what's super cool about this house is it's a tandem. What is a tandem? If you haven't heard of those before, because I'd never heard of them until I got out here in Arizona, it's a 3-car garage. So 1, 2, 3, if you're good at parking. If you're not, this is extra storage. Who doesn't want extra storage in their house? Yes. And then there's a door that goes to the backyard from in the garage. So behind your fence, you can get to the backyard from the garage. Like if you're, doing lawn work or whatever. Well, there's no such thing as a lawn out here, but if you're doing yard work, you can get there from the backyard. All right, so we did the front of the house. Now let's go to the back of the house. So here's the back of the house. Kitchen. Dining room is in the back. And then we have the living room here. So what I really like is all this open space, because that, folks, is standard. So you got one big slider here, and then I think you can turn, that is a slider. There's a slider there. Here's a slider here. So you want to open this up and have a party, you can absolutely do that. Here's what your kitchen's going to look like. Generally speaking, of course, you're going to design it how you want, but you've got plenty of space for entertaining. So this is an entertainer's dream house here. Here's your pantry, and this, folks, is a pantry. Plenty of space. Plenty of space. And then in the very back of the house, you have your primary bedroom and bathroom. So here we go. Bedroom with sliders. Now it takes away from your wall space, so pretty much that's the only place you can put your bed, but if you can handle that, hey, who am I to complain? But it's plenty of space to kind of make it your own. You have your separated tub and shower, and it's an actual shower, not one of those little teeny boxes, and a tub. Double sinks, one here, one there. Here's your toilet room, linen closet, big linen closet too, big old linen closet, and your actual closet. The actual closet, it's doable. It is definitely doable. I'm not going to sit here and act like it's not. I would love it to be bigger, but I can make this work. So again, this is the Bailey offered by Meritage Homes here in Santan Valley. So if you're in the market for a home here, give me a call. We'll get you out here, 623-207-7146. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.